In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync your Outlook calendar with ClickUp so you can manage your meetings and tasks in one place. First, sign in to your ClickUp account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, open the Calendar section and choose Outlook Calendar. Click Connect or Create Personal Connection. Sign in with your Microsoft Outlook account and approve the requested permissions. If prompted, complete any verification steps to authorize the connection. Once connected, ClickUp will begin syncing your Outlook calendar events. Depending on the number of events in your calendar, the initial sync may take a few moments. After the sync is complete, you'll be able to view your Outlook meetings alongside your ClickUp tasks, making it easier to plan your schedule and avoid conflicts. That's how to sync Outlook calendar with ClickUp. Thanks for watching.